First time you need to turn on Bluetooth off, then turn it on. And you go to the hot demo here. That's a Semi-Auto AP demo app. You can add the new register to the register lock. You will find this is the Semi-Auto Y100B, this one. So you can go to the passwords, it's 6 digit 0. And submit. So it's do all the registration job and do the give the new passwords. So you can save the password first. Anyway, then you can go to here. That's all the identities, the Y100B, and you will get keys there. So then you can do the connection here. So the flash here is not turned on right now. When you connect, you'll be start to tell you when it's flash red, it means the lock. This lock is closed. Well, I'm going to open and lock it. So you go to green. Okay, that's unlock. Or you can lock it. You can do the auto lock setting. If we set the lock, auto lock will become a 10 seconds again. Set. So you unlock it. You count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we open. So we auto lock function. So, and when it's done, when you disconnect it, the flashing will be turned off. That's it.